mantra 7 in detail without the bhashya. Thereafter, because of the context, that there is a lot of ambiguity about the nature of Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana. We have discussed in detail about the nature of Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana in the last 14 sessions. Now we are continuing with Bhashya. So a gap of 14 sessions without a touch with the Bhashya is there. So therefore, before entering into the Bhashya of this mantra, let us see two sentences from the Bhashya earlier, wherein this mantra was introduced by Bhashyakara, so that you will be able to correlate. Soyamatma from Paramartha. Soyamatma Paramartha.
सोयमात्मा परमार्था परमार्थ रूपः चतुष्पाद इति उक्तः तस्य अपरमार्थ रूपम् अविद्याकृतं रज्जु सर्पादि समम् उक्तम् पादत्रय लक्षणं बीजांकुरस्थानीयम् अथ इदानीम् अबीजात्मकं परमार्थस्वरूपं रज्जुस्थानीयं सर्पादिस्थानीय उक्तस्थानत्रय निराकरणेन आह.
This is how the mantra was introduced. Soyamatma Chatushpat. This was told in mantra 2, that Atma has got 4 padas. But it has got, in these 4 padas, 2 types of padas are there. Padas means parts. What are those 2 types of there? One variety is aparamartha. Aparamartha means not real, false, appearance is there, it is experienced, and full of samsara, sorrow. Aparamartha. Other one is what? Paramartha. The real one, totally free from all that is adhyastha, Paramananda Swarup. So these 2 were there in the 4th pada. That was told Chatushpat iti uktaha, where mantra 2. Now, so far, from mantra 3 to 6, aparamartha was described. Aparamartha rupa. That's what it says. Tasya. Tasya means kasya. Chatushpad atmanaha. Atma which has got 4 padas. Tasya. Aparamartha rupam. Truly not there. It is false in nature. How did it come? From where did it come? Avidyakritam. Falsely projected by what? Avidya. Avidyakritam. And within the case of, with the help of Rajju Sarpa example is told, Rajju Sarpadi Samam Uktam. Rope is there, mistaken for Sarpa, Bhuchidra, Jaladhara. Like that is what? That is what? It is mistaken. That is how? Or a mala. Rajju Sarpadi Samasamam Uktam. Now in the case of Rajju Sarpa, Rajju is Paramartha Swarupa. With respect to Rajju Sarpa, don't say compared with the Rajju and Adhyastha, we can compare this to it is a place of Paramartha Swarupa. Now Bhuchidra, Jaladhara, or you appear to mistake it for a garland. You appear to mistake it for a this piece of the stick as a, or a crack in the earth, or a little flow of water. What is that flow of water means? Bali was the bull. Urine of a bull. You won't understand in Bombay. In the dusty villages or the dusty village, see what happened. A bullock cart was going and the bull passed the urine. And it is a dusk time. What happens? There is a mark there. And it is zigzag. It is what? Zigzag. Ideal condition to mistake for a snake. Actually it is this mark of a bull's urine. So that was Jaladhara. Don't think that the river is flowing or rivulet is flowing, not that way. So now, actually what is there is what? A Raju. And these are all mistaken. Like that, actually what is there is Soyam Atma. Atma alone is there. They are mistaken as what? Vishwa, Taijasa, Prajna. So the Padatraya Lakshanam. Character by Padatraya, three Padas. What are those? Vishwa, Taijasa and Prajna. Bijankura Sthaniyam. We have seen in detail Bijankura means which has got Karya Karana Bhava, cause effect relationship. Cause effect relationship is in the realm of what? Upadhis. Srishti. That is which has Bijankura. Now, this is what was described in terms of Pada Traya. I say Atha. After that, Idanim. Now, where now? In the mantra 7, which I have seen in detail in general without the bhasha that we are going to study now hereafter. Atha Idanim. Abijatmakam. What is Abijatmakam? Karya Karana Rahitam. Cause effect relationship are not there at all. Abijatmakam. And which is Paramartha Swarupa, which is the ultimate reality. Ultimate reality. In the which is in the place of a Rajju Sarpa example, Rajju Sthaniyam, which happens in the place of what? Rajju. So it is now explained how, just as you reveal the Rajju Roop by negating all that is superimposed. Likewise, the Pada Traya that are superimposed on, that is what Atma, Turiya Atma, is now being revealed. How it is that? Rajusthaniyam, Sarpadisthaniya Uktasthana Nirakaranena. By eliminating, refuting, negating the three sthanas. What are those? Three padas. Vishwa, Taijasa, Prajna. As in the case, Mala, etc. in that place there. Aha. What aha?
Nantah Prajnam Ityadi.
Nantah Prajnam Ityadi. That is what it is. Actually, you know what is the way, mode of chanting? Nantah Prajnam Ityadi. Then you have to chant. Let us chant once again. Okay.
Nantah Prajnam, Na Bahish Prajnam, No Bhayatah Prajnam, Na Prajnana Ganam, Na Prajnam, Na Prajnam, Adrishtam, Avyavaharyam, Agrahyam, Alakshanam, Achintyam, Avyapadeshyam, Ekatma Pratyaya Saram, Prapanchopashamam, Shantam, Shivam, Advaitam, Chaturtham Manyante, Sa Atma, Savidneyah.
This is how Rajusthaniya Atma is unfolded as God Saha Chaturtha Manyan. Chaturtha, Turiya. Actually here Turiya is not told. So but in practice and all the teaching, which word is important? This more used Turiya. Something Because you don't know what is meant by Turiya. Turiya is nothing but Chaturiya. Chaturiya is nothing but fourth, that's all. Don't think something Atma is something Turiya, etc. For the sake of easy teaching, earlier padas are taken into account with respect to which Atma in its true nature, free from all this Vishwa Taisa Prajna, is considered as fourth. You've got underline. Considered as fourth, not really fourth. When it can be really fourth? If Turiya, the so-called Turiya Atma, is totally distinct from Vishwa, Taijasa and Prajna. Is it not so? No, sir. Why? It is in and through Vishwa, Taisa, Prajna, and yet independent of. On the contrary, do you know? This gives the existence for who? Vishwa, Taijasa, Prajna. Vishwa minus Turiya equal to, come on. Taijasa minus Turiya. Prajna minus Turiya. So are not there to answer, okay? Jagadandhyam prasajjeta. Stupid. That the very big, see, look here. If Turiya is a big word for you, we can make use a simple word. What is that? Chaitanya. Check. Pure awareness. Pure consciousness. The entire cosmos is revolving on the fulcrum of what? Pure awareness, pure consciousness, which was Chaitanya. And that is our real nature. And this Srishti is something superimposed. If you know directly or if you are aware of this Chaitanya, free from Adhyastha, you are what you are. That is what is called as what? Liberation, moksha. But presently what has happened? How can you be aware of? What aspect in us we can use to be aware of? You are listening to me. What are you using? But to know buddhi, to know, make the buddhi to know what is required. Chaitanya, without Chaitanya, Atma is not possible. So therefore he says, that is what you say that in Vedantic parlance, basis, adhisthana. So that is what is told. So therefore he says, now, that fourth pada, by taking into account of earlier three as such, which are superimposed, that, so that is what is Atma. Chaturtha Saha Atma. Saha Vidneyaha, we have seen, Sakshat Kartavyaha. Now, let us see how Bhashyakara is presenting this mantra. Says, how or by using what method is this mantra going to reveal what is the Atma Swarupa? First doubt comes. Sir, if you have to tell us what is the Atma, the fourth pada, all this Nanta Pradnya etc. are not necessary. Why not necessary? Say, look. A, B, C, D. 4 entities are there. You eliminate, you want to know C. You eliminate A, you eliminate B, you want to know D. You want to know D. You eliminate A, you eliminate B, eliminate C. Is it necessary to point out D? What it means is what? And what your mantra 2 second told, Soyam Atma Chatushpa. Atma is 4 padas pada. 3 padas we already described. The meaning is what? Turiya. What is this? Kya lagaya hai? Nah, it is not Anta Pradnya Vishwa, it is not Taijasa, it is not Vaish Pradnya Vishwa, etc. What are these all these things? You are skillful in confusing or what? Instead of telling lately, what are you doing all this? So that is. So for that, now, my dear sir, it is not as you thought of. A, B, C, D. Vishwa, Taijasa, Pradnya, Turiya. Remove A, B, C. What remains? D. It is not that you say. Then what? It is other way. What is that? Here is Mr. A actor. He is playing 3 roles with different costumes. B, C, D. You have seen him as B, C and D, but you have never seen him as A. Understood? How are you going to know? Now tell me, in B, the role, actor A is there or not?
Yes.
C, the role, actor A is there or not? In D, the role, actor A is there or not? What is to be done now? But you have never seen A, but you are always seeing on the YouTube and all those films, videos and all that, all movies, etc. B, C, D. Okay. So now what is that? Strip him off from the role and the costume of B, role and costume of C, role and costume of what? D. You know what is that? Who is that? Mr. A actor. But don't ask me, Swamiji, is it not possible? I see only one role. 2 roles I don't see. Can I not know A? See, look at Mr. A has acted in 3 films. In one he is B, C and D. And you have got favor, you are go on changing this thing. So when you see one film, you are seeing him only in one of the 3 roles, other 2 roles are not there. Can you see A? That is what we are doing, sir. We are doing 24/7 what? This game only. What is that game? As a Vishwa, in that Vishwa, Taijasa Pradnya are not seen. In Taijasa, Srimad, Vishwa, Pradnya are not seen. In Pradnya, Taijasa, Vishwa are not seen. But never we know A Turiya free from Vishwa, Taijasa, Pradnya. Yes or no? Is there a better? Now what you have to do? Simultaneously strip him off from the 3 roles. Who remains now? Mr. A. So therefore, the roles of Vishwa, Taijasa and Pradnya are to be eliminated with one stroke. What remains is what? Turiya Saha Chaturthaha Manyante Sahatma. So therefore, this is the only methodology we have to adopt.
ननु आत्मनः चतुष्पात्वं प्रतिज्ञाय पादत्रयकथनेन एव चतुर्थस्य अन्तःप्रज्ञादिभ्यः अन्यत्वे सिद्धे नान्तःप्रज्ञम् इत्यादि प्रतिषेधः अनर्थकः न.
So our friend is coming. Who is our friend? Purva-paksha. Person who poses a contrary proposition. Sir, कुछ ठीक नहीं लगता है. Your description of this Atma doesn't seem to be proper. I have got a doubt. Look, see, look. You told us Atma is Chatushpa, out of which 3 padas are already square. Remaining one is what? 4th pada. What is this? Not the Vishwa, not the etc., etc. That is what the sum and substance of who? Purva-paksha. Says Nanu. I hope you are familiar with this now. Goat say Nanu means Purva-paksha, okay. If you go with that norm, you will land in problem with the Brahma Sutra Bhashya. So there at one place, Bhashyakar, see, Nanu means, it can be Nanu. No, no means indeed, not indeed. Not indeed can be used by anyone else. But conventionally in all Darshana Shastras, Nanu is used for a contrary proposition, Purva-paksha. But at places, Siddhanti also, that is why some people do lagati. Circus where in Brahma Sutra Bhashya, they take the Siddhanta as Purva-paksha and Purva-paksha as Siddhanta. You are not knowing that the import of Nanu properly. Here of course it is what? Purva-paksha. Actually, almost everywhere Nanu is forward, Purva-paksha. Only few rare cases it is other way. See now the objection. What is that? Atmanaha chatushpatvam pratidnyaya. Pratidnyaya, having declared, having made a broad statement. What is that? Atma is chatushpa in mantra 2. Soyamatma chatushpa. In mantra 2 it was told that Atma, so which was described earlier, has got 4 padas. Iti pratidnyaya, having declared in mantra 2, padatraya kathanena eva. By kathana, description of 3 padas. Mantra 3, Vishwa. Mantra 4, Tejasa. Mantra 5 and 6, Tadnya. Padatraya kathaneneva. By description of these 3 padas, only what? Chaturthasya antapradnyadibhya anyatve siddhe. Already proved that 4th pada is what? Distinct from antapradnya, etc. It was. You need not separately tell. So like that, no? That the ABCD, if you want to know, first example to know D, second example to know A actor. So that if these two then ABC you eliminate. Like that you eliminated, what remains is the T, 4th one. That anta pradnya vidhya anyatve siddhi. That is 4th pada is different, distinct from the earlier 3 pada which already accomplished, proved. Then that is so. Na anta pradnyam ityadi pratishedaha anarthakaha. Anarthaka means useless. Why are you repeating? Even a child will know. That is what it is not earlier 3 pada. So therefore that na anta pradnya ityadi pratishedaha anarthaka means what? The Purva-paksha is questioning the very method of Shruti in unfolding the 4th pada. This is what the doubt or a question for which Bhashyakara says, no, sir, it is not so. You have not understood what it is all about. How is it not so?
सर्पादि विकल्प प्रतिषेधेन एव रज्जु स्वरूप प्रतिपत्तिवत् त्रयवस्थस्यैव आत्मनः तुरीयत्वेन प्रतिपिपादयिषितत्वात्।
सर्पादि विकल्प प्रतिषेधेन एव रज्जु स्वरूप प्रतिपत्तिवत्. Our famous example, what is that? Rajju Sarpa. A rope being mistaken for Sarpa Adi. There is no hard and fast rule that a rope should be mistaken unless you are a Vedanti. No, if you are a Vedanti, you will not do that. No, I will not do. Adi is there. So, Adi for Bhuchitra, back in the earth, or a garland like that, or Jaladhara, like that, a streak of water on the earth, etc. Like that. So mistaken. Now, how are you going to know the what? Rajju. Say, Sarpadi vikalpa pratishedhena eva. All these vikalpas, Vedas, imagined things, entities, Sarpa, Bhuchidra, Mala, etc. What are the vikalpa? Negating Rajju Sarpa Pratipattiva. What is Pratisheda? Somebody has told, hey, it is a gopa. And this person sees what? Snake, etc. Then what you start? It is not a snake, it is not a stick, it is not a garland. Sarpa you have seen? What is Pratisheda? You directly see the Sarpa, the Rajju, wherein you say, oh, it is not Sarpa, oh, it is not garland, oh, it is not a stick, oh, it is not a streak of water. Is there a other method than just simply orally repeat? Right? My friend said, you know who is my friend? Satyavan Harishchandra. He never tells a lie. Like Vyasa. You know the greatness of Vyasa? Vyasa is the person who has not uttered a lie even out of joke or sport. See, out of joke, etc., tell a lie. Chitragupta is not Panchikdakar. You know what is Chitragupta? Accountant General of Yamaraj, who keeps the account of what? Papa Punya. What? How many files he will have? Or which mega computer he has got? No mega computer will be able to feed all these things. He is clever, I told you, no? That's why his name is Chitragupta. What is that? He takes Gupta Chitra and keeps. What is Gupta Chitra? Secret photograph. Where? In your own antakarana. In your own antakarana, all samskaras are there. It is intact. He did not keep a record room, okay? Record room will not work at all. Record country also will not work. So cosmos, how many jivas? You think only human beings etc. Put your hand under a microscope and say how many how many bugs are there? Each bug is who? Jiva. Account is there. Now he is bug. Next time he is a lion. Next time he will be a politician. So that, then thappad khaya aad mein Vedanti. So how many innumerable are there? So therefore, suppose that Pratishedena. Now say, look, merely negating is not going to make you know Rajju. When you see the Rajju, what happens? Earlier things, what are those? Sarpa gets negated, Bhuchidra gets negated, the crack in the earth gets negated, Mala gets negated. Or is that Rajju or rope is there and snake etc. also are there? You are dreaming. It is not possible. Rope means rope. None of these are there. So therefore, just as you see the rope wherein all that were mistaken notions get what? Refuted, negated. In the same manner, Travasthasya eva atmana. What is this Travasthasya? Trishu avastheshu sthitasya. See how clear it becomes. But Travastha, that stha is very difficult there. Sthita. Trishu avastheshu sthitasya. Atma is abiding where? In three avasthas. What are those three avasthas? Vishwa, Taijasa, Prajna. Atmanaha Turiyatvena. Turiyatvena Pipadayishitatva. Pratipadayitum ishtatva. It is desired to be unfold. Prove the Turiya Atma by negating the earlier three padas, because this Turiya Atma is in and through the three padas and yet distinct from them. Just as the rope is in the snake, mistaken snake. The rope is in the mistaken crack in the earth. Rope is in the mistaken garland. And yet it is independent of this. So like that word. Ishitatva. So that is what is desired to be so established, propounded, for which an illustration is given.
Tattvamasi itivat.
Like Mahavakya Tattvamasi. What is this Tattvamasi? वो सौम्य Shvetaketu, father is telling, Buddhala Kavarani is telling. Tat, that pronoun, it refers to noun, is that he only said, Sadeva Some Idamagra Asi. Somya, oh dear son, Idam, Jagat, Agre, before creation, Sat Eva Asi. It is nothing but only Sat Trikala Abadita Vastu, which can only be Chaitanya Atma Brahma. Tat Tvam Asi. You are that. And the equation is made. At its face value, this equation cannot hold good. How? What is that you? Me. And with that me, Samsari Jiva. Samsari Jiva cannot be asamsari Sat Brahma. Is it? Can a dukhi, sorrowful person be totally sorrowless? Can a one who has got Janma Marana be the one who is free from Janma Marana? Can the one who is prone to be sorrowful be the one Paramananda Sarupa, totally free from sorrow? This is what it is. Jiva is samsari, not ordinary samsara. They add one samsara sagara. Samsara sagara means what? Why sagara? Ocean there? Difficult to cross over. Need not be impossible if you are like Swatantra Veer. With that? Savarkar. Swatantra Veer Savarkar, Savarkar. He just escaped from the ship and then challenged it all, and he succeeded. So Bhagwan ka anugrah tha. You see, he did effort, but he succeeded also. So, very difficult. Now such samsari, how can you be free from this thing? And who has told? Times of India editorial? Shruti. Highest pramana, the highest means of knowledge. So first we have to do what? Rule out the notion that the statement is wrong. There must be something in it which I don't know. Why? I have Shraddha in what? Shruti. If Krishna makes a statement and if I don't understand that, I don't say that Krishna is wrong unless you are writing a thesis for PhD. They want such things to like there was one Dr. Kibot. He was the one who translated Brahma Sutra Bhashya in English. First translation of Brahma Sutra Bhashya in English in the Max Muller series. Max Muller was the general editor, but these were the. You should read that. It is it is published somewhere in 1906. None of us were born. 1906. And that time English, very tough English, because one sentence may run into one page. Clauses. Modern English is crisp. Chota. So very easy. It was not that way that was time-wise it developed. He in his preface says, Shankaracharya didn't know the difference between Ishvara and Brahma. Because in Bhashya, Shankaracharya has used one for other. Do you know why? For practical purpose, we don't distinguish between Ishvara and Brahma, because Ishvara is nothing but what? Brahma. But if theoretical context is there, Shankaracharya strip it open and then what? Fed back Brahma and Saguna Brahma and Nirguna Brahma. Depending on the context is. That is the same. So that if Krishna says something and if you have not understood, you have got Shraddha. Oh, he must be having a point which I have not understood. So where will you go? If you know Sanskrit, you say Bhashya, what is it? If you don't know go to some Acharya, etc. What is it all about? Is it not? So like that here. Tat Tvam Asi equation cannot hold good as it is. You have to refer to what? Teaching. That is Sampradaya, Vedanta Sampradaya teaching. What Vedanta Sampradaya teaching says? Look, that Tvam, you Jiva, is not to be taken as it is. What should be done? It should be stripped off from Adhyastha Upadhis. It should be cognized nirupadhikataya. Free from upadhis. This is what is called as what? Shodhita Tvampada. And that nirupadhika Chaitanya Atma is what? Tat Sat Brahma. Your one doubt, some may say, sir, nirupadhika Tvampada is not possible. Why? You can never get rid of upadhi. Purapaksha. You can never get rid of upadhi. How? I know what you mean by nirupadhika Tvampada. Are you not referring to Nirvikalpa Samadhi? Yes. In Nirvikalpa Samadhi, upadhi is there. Where upadhi is there? Antakarana is in the very dormant form. That is what you call samskara form. How do you say that in nirupadhika? My dear sir, are you referring to, that is what, Atma free from Ishvara Srishti or Jiva Srishti? Very subtle point, okay? But some people may put the Purapaksha. They say, look, and you come out of the Samadhi. Even in Pralaya, what? Jagat is there in the dormant form, only to spring forth in the next Kalpa. Impossible. You are right, sir. We are not concerned about it. We want cognition of Atma free from all adhyastha. Underline cognition. We want, to put in simple word, experience of Atma free from all adhyastha. It is possible where? In Nirvikalpa Samadhi. And to have that experience, certainly we need the Antakarana in a samskara form. Otherwise, and without this, without Antakarana, how are you going to have experience? But it is not experience with triputis, etc. It is the replica or exact nature of Atma Swarupa as you see your face in the mirror. When you see your face in the mirror, you tell me, is mirror part and parcel of your face? Is it? No. But when you see the reflection, where is it? There is what? We are not bothered. Why? It gives me the exact experience or knowledge of what my face is. That's what it is. Like that, see, in Nirvikal Samadhi, so Antakarana is in the dormant form. Pralaya is different case, the Jnana is there, etc. But here, I am experiencing this in Swarupa as it is. This is my what? Swarupa, free from that. How did you know that? Shastra Pramana. Further Shastra says, this is Brahma. That is what knowledge. So therefore, so we are, when they say, Shodhita Tvampada, we don't say Chaitanya totally free from upadhis. Because Antakarana is there, not there. Where are you going to gain the experience? Where are you going to gain the knowledge? And if Antakarana connection with the body is snapped off, then what? Ram Nam Sattai on 2 bamboo sticks. Upadakshana. Upadakshana for what? Make preparation to dispose of the body. We don't say that. We want just as you see the face in the mirror, we want to experience our Swarupa. That makes us aware of our Swarupa. That is what? Brahma. That is what? Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana. Therefore, it is like Tattvamasi itivat. Like Mahavakya Tattvamasi, where you are separating the Tvam Jiva from the Adhyastha Upadis, and Nirupadika Chaitanya Atma is what? Brahma Swarupa. So here also the Padatrayas superimposed on what? Turiya are eliminated. What remains is Turiya. Just all superimposed misconceptions about the rope are removed. What you are seeing is what? Rope only free from this. We'll continue.